So in this lesson, I'm going to show you all how to import the course resources into Procreate. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure Procreate is open, okay? Because in order for this to work, you need to have one app open. Let's go ahead and open up Procreate. So I'm going to swipe up from the bottom, and if the iOS stars align and to keep doing it, it will open up the dock. I'm not sure what the trick is to get that to happen on the first time because I can't do it. But I have the Files app over here on the far right. I'm going to grab that and pull it up and drop it right there. And that's going to pull up the, what I think iOS calls the slide over feature, which allows you to swipe this away and swipe it back out. The way that works is there's a little line up here at the top that you can grab, and that will allow you to do it as a dual screen app or to pull it out as a slide over app. It also allows you to swipe it away. Now to swipe it back onto the screen, you just swipe from the right. Again, I usually have to do this twice. I don't know why, blame Apple. But here are all the resources. I recommend just putting them all in a folder on your iPad. I've got mine organized here. And we'll start with the sample pages. So I'm going to go to sample comic pages, and you can just hold on these files and drag them over into Procreate. There's the first one. Again, hold for a second and then drag over to Procreate. So now we've got both of our sample pages there installed or imported. And there is also a flatting brush I'm going to be discussing later. If you want to go ahead and import that now, you can. Same way, just grab it, drag it into Procreate, let it go, and it'll import it. You won't see anything happen here on the gallery, but it will put it in your imported brushes. So now that we have our pages in here and we've got our flatting brush installed, let's keep going.